Wildfires still burning in parts of Nova Scotia are forcing thousands of people from their homes there. This is drone video that shows the massive scope of the fires. Plumes of thick smoke billowing high above the province and visible for miles. Right now there are 16 active fires, with 3 of them burning out of control. In Halifax, officials have evacuated at least 16,000 people. Fires have destroyed about 200 structures. Fueling the wildfires are below average rainfall, high winds, and those